Ready? You sure? What it do, Millie Crew? I'm Millie.
I'm Skylin.
And today, my daughter's gonna be doing my makeup. You ready? Okay, let's get started. So what are you gonna do first? Grab whatever you're gonna use. I need to comb my eyebrows.
What do you need to comb your
I
eyebrows?
really need to do my eyebrows.
This.
What's that? You don't know.
Maybe it's lipstick.
No, it's concealer. It goes under your eyes.
No, do concealer.
You should do foundation first.
Where's the foundation?
Foundation?
Yeah.
You know what to use to blend in my foundation? That.
This.
Yeah, so she watches me do my makeup all the time. And she got makeup for Christmas. And she does hers all the time now. So, I'm going to let her do mine. But using my makeup, obviously. Foundation? So you're going to put some of this? No. In the back of your hand. And you're going to take the beauty sponge. And dip some in there. And you put it on my face. But hold on.
Where do you put it?
I'm going to use some of this. All over my face. You know how I do it.
Like this?
Just don't get in my eye. Don't get in my hair. Not my shirt. Can I show you how to do it?
Sure.
So you go like this. You see where you wiped it? You dab it to blend it in. Here, you do it. Oh, you're a natural.
Oh, you're like a natural.
You want to tell them how old you are? How old are you? How do you not know? How does your brother know and you don't know how old you are?
4.
That's 2.
4.
That's 5. 4.
4.
Okay, go ahead. What's that for?
Eyebrows
Okay.
and eyelash.
Just eyebrows. You gotta go very light. Okay, go ahead. You know what that's called?
No.
A spoolie.
A spoolie?
A spoolie.
A spoolie? Okay.
Okay, what's next? You have all this over here too.
What is this?
You can do my eyeshadow.
Your eyeshadow.
That's eyeliner and another one. Yeah. You gotta show them what color you're gonna use. This palette is very messed up, so don't touch. What color? So she's gonna go in with this purple color right here. And do your thing, girl. You definitely said this one.
Oh, this?
She's using this one now. Okay, go ahead.
Where should I
First,
put
you gotta blow it off. Yep. Both of my eyes, just how you do. You really do yours.
it? Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay, that's pretty.
Okay, go ahead, girl.
The other one. There.
Nice. What's next? You gonna do purple now? So now I'm just gonna go in with this purple right here. can do whatever you want. What? You gonna show them what color you want to do now?
Orange.
Show them.
I'm gonna do this orange one. Okay. Down with eyeshadow.
Okay. This is very white concealer, by the way. It's not my shade. Now you put it under your eyes. You could do it a little bit on my forehead. Okay. Okay, that's enough on that side. Okay, now you gotta blend it in. Oh, you gonna do more? I think that's enough under my eyes.
Under your eyes.
You can put some right here.
Why does Trust keep on coming?
What are you using to blend it in with? Show them.
This
Beauty blender.
beauty blender.
Uh-huh. Go ahead.
Being so quiet.
And talk about something.
Huh?
Go ahead, talk about something.
We're being so quiet.
You want a trick? So you gotta use the tip and blend it in.
Oh. Okay, it's in.
You think?
Yeah.
How about a little bit more?
Yeah.
Now you think you should set that so it doesn't get creasy?
What is that?
Setting powder.
Setting powder?
Now you can use the tip of this one to set it. So you dip it in the powder
Where?
where you put the concealer, and then that's where you're gonna put the powder.
Right here?
Oh,
What?
my eye. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Okay, now you gotta do it on my forehead. Put some concealer there too.
Is that fine?
Yeah. You wanna do my contour?
Yes.
You know how you do that? Alrighty, let's do this thing. So, you can use this brush.
Okay.
Now that one's a little too dark for me, so you can use this one or that one. Yep, she's using this color in the Lorac Pro Contour Palette. Now you do my cheeks.
Okay.
Do you want to do blush? Ooh, ooh. Should I do your makeup next time? Yeah? Okay. You got it, girl.
This little one.
This by Juvia's Place as my blush. What? Go ahead. I would blow on that because it's very pigmented. Okay. Now you put on my cheeks.
Looks pretty.
Now do that one and not too much. Gotta blow on. Do you want to do highlight?
Yeah.
So again, Juvia's Place. This is the Nefertiti highlight. Super bomb. And then you put it right there.
It's so sparkly.
So you gotta do it this way. That's it? Done? Alright. Do you wanna do my lips and then call it a day? Yeah? Or you wanna do more?
No, I'm doing one.
Okay, what else do you wanna do?
Your lips first.
All my lip products are in the house. I'll go kids. I got all my lip products. Alright. Choose your shade, girl. Okay, you got, yeah. How do you guys think she did? 1 out of 10. How do you think you did?
Right.
Okay, go ahead. Why don't you put this down? Okay, go. Ew! What do you mean, ew?
I'm just kidding. I'm done.
That's it? You forgot this side! You leaving one side of my lip hanging, girl. Okay, don't laugh. What's so funny? You're crying.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are. Are you tired?
No, I'm
You're
not.
crying.
No, I'm
Yes, you
not.
are. What is so funny?
I'm laughing at you.
I know you're laughing so hard you're crying.
You look like a man with a little beard.
I look like a man?
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
She said I look like a man with a beard.
A little tiny beard. Because I had it on here. I had it on accident.
So I have a beard apparently.
Get it off. Wipe it off. It's so hilarious.
It's so hilarious.
Yes, it's so funny. I'm laughing so
Is that why
hard.
you're laughing so hard?
Yes.
Alright, is that it? Does that wrap up this video? Alright guys, I think that's it for this video. Rate her 1 to 10.
No, I want to do some more.
You did everything.
Okay.
I'll do yours next in the next video, okay? How do you think you did?
Great.
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10. Pick a number. How do you think you did? 1 as being bad, 10 as being the best.
10 is being the best.
So she thinks she did a 10. So you guys let me know in the comments down below how you think she did. Alright, that wraps up this video. I'll see you in my next one.
Bye.
Bye, loves.